I am going to shout my turkey with my gun, so first I skin it. Second, I'm going to wash it. I'll put butter and jizz and salt and bob sass on it. I will make mac and cheese. I will cook it on 100 degrees for 6 hours. When it is done, we eat. I am going to the store to get a turkey. We have to put it in a pot. I will put pepper on my turkey so it will taste good. I will cook it for a whole 2 hours at 50 degrees. I will cut it really smally. I will put it on the table and have mashed potatoes. I will eat it with my family. I go to the store and buy a turkey. Put salt and pepper on it. Put C5 on S5 on it. Put the turkey in the oven. Set the oven for 30 minutes. Oven will be set on hot, hot, hot! Take turkey out the oven. Cut it up. Let every booby eat some. I go to the store to bew a turkey. Wash and wet it and then dree. Next, you will put it in the pan and cook for 5 minutes and wait for it to be done. I will eat with my family. I'm going to the store and buy a big turkey and I'm going to put seasoning on it and put boerbuck sauce on it. Put it in the oven and put it on 60 hours and wait for 60 hours and wait for it to get done. I will set the table and put it on the table and make other Thanksgiving food with the big turkey. We'll put it on a plate and cut it up and we will have all the plates ready. We will serve the table and we will eat the turkey and the other Thanksgiving food. I'm hooting a turkey. I kill it. I'm going to pluck the feeters. I will cook it for 8 hours and 6 minutes at 205 degrees. Then I will take it out of the oven and set him on the table. Now we will eat. First I hunt 10 turkey. I cut the turkey's heat off and I cook the turkey in the oven for 20 minutes at 40 degrees. I put vegetables and hot sauce and I put a lot of garlic sauce. I get all the legs off and I get all the bones and the heart. First I go to wham up to bewie a turkey. Tack the raper off and season it with butter, garlic and tonies on the turkey. Put it in the ferret rad to marinate. Put the turkey in the oven for 30 minutes at 160 degrees. Get a big pan to put the turkey in and pot foil over it. When it is cooled off, I will cut the legs off and slice it and put it on the table. First get one from the store, then you let it thaw. Then you can put some salt, pepper or some garlic, seasoning and babk sass. I will cook it in the oven. When it is done, it might be 82 degrees degrees higher or lower. It was in there really long, but finally it was done. First buy at the store. Get the bones out. Spice the turkey, wheat, garlic, pepper, snot, water and kessie. Put it in the oven at 300 degrees for 3 hours. It is done. We put cherries and pineapple on it. First I shoot it with my bow and euro, then I cut its hand off. Then I get the guts out and then I peck the feather out. I put it in the oven. I cook it for 99 minutes at 80 degrees. Then when it is done I put a lot of salt. Then pepper and salt and ketchup and hot sauce on it. Then put more salt and pepper and a little bit of sugar. First get it from the star. Track it out from the bag and season it with pepper. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes at 80 degrees. First I see him on the woods. I shoot at him. Then I pull out the legs and I tack out the head. And I pout him on the oven. I will pout spice on the met. And fruit and vegetable. Cook for 5 minutes at 600 degrees. I get it from the store. You post to buy it before you go. You let the ice melt. Put it in the pan. I put hot sauce on it and salsa. Put it in the oven at 500 degrees for 10 minutes. It is super hot. First I hunt it in the woods, I clit in the woods. I fry it in an oven, then we put seasoning on it. We put pepper and salt on it. We put it on 80 degrees and in it is done. We put it on 20 Harry. We turn the oven off and let it cool off and eat a good dial's meal at my house with my family. I get to a stay to be it. I put stuff on it. Then I put it in there for 350 uges for 5 minutes. Then you tack it out. Then you eat it. First you beat it Kmart. Then you take the pepper off. Then we put the yummy seasoning on the turkey. You put the temperature on 99 degrees and cook for 15 minutes. Then you stuff it. Then we eat the yummy turkey. Yum! I'd like to tell you how to cook a turkey for Thanksgiving. I get my turkey at the store. I need Saturn pepper. I cook it in a turkey cooker. I cook it at 5 degrees. I cook it at 1 hour. First, you go buy a Walmart, HEB or Brooks. They have the good turkeys. Then you take it home and you take the wrapper off, your turkey, and you put your favorite seasoning on it. Then you put it in the oven and put it on 100 degrees. After it is done, you can eat it. That's how you cook a turkey. First we beat it, then we tack off the past off, then we take out the stuff, then we put in there to mind. The temperature is 160 degrees. We cook it at Thanksgiving. First you go to the store and buy a turkey, then you take the plastic off of the turkey. Then you put seasoning on it and stuff it, then you put it on the grill and cook it at 350 degrees for 3 hours. Finale, we get to eat it! First you put milk in the bowl, then make the egg and the milk when a falk or a mek. My dad put the turkey in the oven. He put it time for a toe mine and the oven was hot, not too hot. It lasts, now we can enter it. First you beat it and tack the wrapper off. I don't put anything on it. Then I warm it up for 7 minutes. Set the temperature for 2 degrees, then I set the timer. When the timer goes off, we find get to enter it. First you got to go to the warmer and get it clean. Then you put it in the oven for 6 hours. Then you put seasoning sauces in it. I cook my turkey in the oven. Now you've got to take the plastic out of it. You need to put it in a pan. You have to whack the turkey so it will not dry it up. Now we get to eat this turkey.